Mythos question, the Anthropic cyber-capable frontier model, the Project Glasswing, and the new politics of AI access. On April 7, 2026, Anthropic unveiled Cloud Mythos Preview, a general-purpose frontier model whose performance was sufficiently destabilizing that the company chose not to release it publicly. 3 weeks later, the model is shaping decisions inside the White House, the Pentagon, the National Security Agency, and term sheets of reportedly $900 billion fundraise. The Mythos story is no longer just a research announcement, it is a Rorschach test for how the institutional world is processing an AI capability curve that can materially outrun its policy, its compute, and the cyber remediation infrastructure. In effect, Mythos is the first major frontier model whose primacy commercial structure is determined by what it cannot be allowed to do. That inversion from capability rollout to capability containment is likely to reoccur. Let's start with what Mythos really is. Now, the Cloud Mythos Preview is a general-purpose large language model. Anthropic's published evaluations show meaningful improvements over the previous frontier model across mathematics, long-text reasoning, software engineering, and most consequentially, offensive and defensive cybersecurity tasks. What's important is that it became the first AI system to complete the last ones, a 32-step corporate network attack simulation that takes skilled human red teams roughly 20 hours. Now, that capability has made Mythos a watershed. Its autonomous zero-day vulnerability discovery, finding software flaws that no one has yet identified in source code and compiled binaries and chaining them into working exploits. Anthropic's Red Team reports thousands of such discoveries across major operating systems and every major web browser, with more than 99% of those vulnerabilities still unpatched at the time of the announcement. The model demonstrated the ability to combine 4 independent bugs into an exploitive chain that bypassed both the browser renderer and the operating system sandboxes. Anthropic is explicit that it did not train Mythos for cyber-offensive performance. That capability emerged downstream of broader gains in code reasoning, agentic autonomy, and long-horizon planning. This is the most important framing point in the entire conversation. Cyber capability is now an emergent property of capability and not a specified research direction. It will appear in every frontier model that crosses a similar threshold of reasoning and software engineering ability, including those trained by labs that may be less inclined to get the releases.